Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I started by prepping my face using Zikel face primer. So next is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using it to cover up the blemishes, the spots, the acne, and the shade is Fawn. So we'll just use it to cover it up. Next is the foundation from Flawlessivy and the shade is Honey 600. We'll just apply using my foundation brush and then we'll spread until I have covered up my entire face, and we'll just blend in properly. Blending is key. I also have a tutorial on how to apply foundation for beginners, so you can go and watch it. And this is highlighting. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer Cool Tan to highlight my under eyes and my jaw, as well as my nose and my forehead as well. I also have a video on how to contour and highlight for beginners, so please go and watch it. So we'll be blending using my beauty blender. Blend very well. Like I said, blending is key. So we blend under my eyes, my nose, and also my forehead as well. So next, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eyes, just the places where I have highlighted. So next is the powder contour, because I did not do a creamy contour today, so I'm using a dark powder shade from my Blossom HD powder palette to contour my cheekbone, and also I'll be doing that on my nose as well. It just makes it look very pointed, and then you'll be seeing how snatched my face will be looking. I always love to contour my face. I was actually dancing to a song while I was recording. And next is the Warrior by Juvia. Yes, the Warrior eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. And I started using a transition color using my blending brush to apply it, so you blend in. Okay, next I started using my classic eyeshadow primer to do like a cut crease for the main eyeshadow colors, and that is my eyeshadow palette from Colormates Eyeshadow. I started with a dark brown color, which I used to intensify the corner of my eyes, and as I do that I blend out as well. I'll be doing same for the other eye. Next, I'll be using a color looking like gold, and it just suits the outfit or the shirt I am wearing, and wow, it's coming out so well, looking so beautiful. Using my eyeshadow brush to apply this gold color just at the beginning of my eyes. I went ahead to smooth my under eyes using the same dark color from my Colormates eyeshadow palette. We'll do same for the other eye as well. Wow, this is looking really good. It's coming out well. Wow, I'm loving the look already. Still dancing to my song. Again, that's the Davis 03 pencil to line in my lips. It's looking so good. I love this pencil a lot. Yes. Wow. So next is the lipstick from Covergirl, and it is Sultry. It is actually nude. I always love lip gloss, and that's the blueberry lip gloss. You can see the glow, the shine, and the youthfulness. I love it. And that is my finishing powder from my powder palette, and I'm using my powder shades to finish up the look. Please leave me comments. What do you like about the look? Wow, this is beautiful. So please, if you've not subscribed, please do, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And that is the highlighter from my Blossom HD powder palette. Wow, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye.